of the hours of meeting for Wednesday 13th and Thursday 14th of March 2024.
The Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I rise to move the following. I beg to move this motion on the alteration of the hours of meeting for Wednesday the 13th and Thursday the 14th of March 2024. That notwithstanding the resolution of the Senate made on the 15th February 2024, pursuant to Standing Order number 32 of the approval of the Senate calendar, regular sessions for the third session 2024, and pursuant to Standing Order number 34 4B, the Senate resolves to alter its hours of meeting on Wednesday 13th March 2024 and Thursday 14th March 2024 as follows. 1. Morning sitting at 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 2. Afternoon sittings at 2:30 p.m. until the conclusion of business listed on the order paper of the day, in order to investigate the proposed removal from office by way of impeachment of the Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, the Deputy Governor of Kisii County. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is a procedural motion just for good order of the House to realign our timetable. You know that we have specific business provided in the standing order that we transact every Wednesday morning. That's a questions time with ministers and motions for members, and the normal ordinary business that we do in the afternoons. And on Thursdays as well, Mr. Speaker, you know that we normally don't have morning sittings, but because of the important exercise that is before us, we have to meet on Thursday morning as well. And in the afternoon on that Thursday, Mr. Speaker, when we reconvene after lunch at 2:30, we hope to sit until late into the night, as is a practice now established, Mr. Speaker, to listen to the impeachment motion, Mr. Speaker, after senators will have listened, of course, to the proceedings and eventually take a vote, Mr. Speaker, to decide the fate of the Honorable Deputy Governor of Kisii. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, it is important for us to pass this motion today so as to be able to transact tomorrow in a straightforward matter. This is a straightforward issue, Mr. Speaker, which I don't think I need to canvass beyond that. I beg to request the Leader of Minority, the Senator Retired Justice Stewart Matsayo, to second. I thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I second the motion.
Honorable Senators, kindly take your seats. Senator Thangwa. Now, Honorable Senators, I'll proceed to propose the question. That notwithstanding the resolution of the Senate made on the 15th of February 2024, pursuant to Standing Order 32 on the approval of the Senate calendar and regular sessions for the third session 2024, and pursuant to Standing Order 34 4B, the Senate resolves to alter its hours of meeting on Wednesday 13th of March 2024 and Thursday 14th of March 2024 as follows. 1. Morning sittings at 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. and 2. Afternoon sittings at 2:30 p.m. until conclusion of business listed in the order paper of the day.